Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through building a custom GitHub action workflow from scratch to automate your software development tasks with absolute ease. Start by heading over to your project repository homepage on github.com and clicking on the Actions tab located on the top horizontal menu bar. Skip the automated configuration recommendations and click instead on the small hyperlink text to set up a workflow yourself. This instantly opens an interactive browser code editor housing a brand new file prenamed main.yml, which GitHub automatically places within a hidden folder structure called .github/workflows. In this configuration file, you will write structural YAML code, starting with a descriptive name for your workflow, followed by an on statement to define your specific automation trigger, like push or pull request. Underneath that, you will map out your processing steps by defining a jobs block, instructing a virtual cloud machine running Ubuntu to awaken and pull down your latest project code. Finish by adding individual steps to run terminal scripts like npm install and npm test to check your work, then click the green commit changes button to push this automation live. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.